Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about object. An object may appear to be moving for one person and stationary for the some other person. There is one object, one person looking at the object, he feels that object is moving. And for the same object, but different person, if looking at it, he feels that object is stationary. Object is common, but the perspective towards looking that object is different for the different persons, different peoples. Let us take an example. For the passengers in the moving bus, the roadside trees appear to be moving backwards. Suppose you are traveling through a bus, you are this person, and if you are looking outside the window, you feel like these trees, the persons on the roadside, the cars, all are moving backwards. Like that feeling you will have. Opposite to this or contrary to this, person standing on the roadside perceives the bus along with the passengers is moving. Suppose there is one person who who is outside this bus or standing on the roadside, he perceives or he feels like the passenger along with this bus, they are moving. For us, this person is moving, but for him, this bus and the passengers are moving. And totally opposite to this, however, the passenger inside the bus sees his fellow passengers to be at rest. But suppose you are here and the person in front of you or beside you, you both people have feeling that we both are stationary. We are not moving. But actually with bus you are moving. So the passengers inside the bus or the fellow passengers with us, they have the feeling that we all are at a rest condition. So from this example, what we can feel or what understanding we have, what conclusion we have, that there is one object, but the perspective towards looking that object of different persons with different opinions. So how these things are helpful in terms of a motion, that we will study in coming videos. Thank you.